Good morning, good morning. Happy Functional FriYay. Every Friday, I share a quick organizational tip to organize your craft room and supplies. And today we are talking cardstock storage and how to store all the cardstock scraps so that you can maximize your usage, right? And get the most out of your paper. Well, this is my cardstock storage. I have two actually of these great paper storage, three-tiered, I don't know what you call them, stands. And these are from StampinStorage.com. I love them. Many crafters keep their cardstock out in their room and it's absolutely gorgeous, and I love every video that has that in it. I, however, live on the West Coast and it is always sunny, and I have some great big windows in my craft room, and so I actually keep these behind closet doors so it doesn't fade any of my paper or anything like that. So I have two of these, and actually they sit atop of a IKEA, the wide calyx drawers, but I love these, and so I keep every color, every one of our Stampin' Up! Colors has its own slot along with the in colors. I do keep these in rainbow, in Tracy rainbow order. There isn't a correct order, right? But what works for me, and then I have my in colors separate on the bottom right there. And then for the scraps, I have these paper pockets. Let me try to show you that. So see, this is a paper pocket for lemon lime twist. And all of my scraps just go in one of these paper sleeves, and then they just slide right in on top of my cardstock. So whenever I'm going for a color, instead of going through a bin full of scraps, I just have them right there. And so you'll see in my paper sleeves here, there's very few scraps because I go to those first. Since they're right with that color, it's really easy to just grab the scrap size that I need and be able to start crafting right away. So that is my paper storage. I love these. They have individual cubes, like this might be a cube as well. Mine is the three-tiered, and I just have two of those in there. So anyway, that is your quick tip for Organizational FriYay, and I will see you guys soon for our next video. Have a great weekend and happy organizing. Oh, and if you missed any of our past Functional FriYay videos, you can find them on my blog at stampinqueenbee.com or on my YouTube channel in our craft room organization playlist. Have a great weekend, everyone. Bye-bye.